How's everybody doing? This is Neff with Nocturnal Labs. Bringing you guys a little, and not really an invention because I've seen different ones out there, but this is my invention. As most of you guys know, me and my daughter, we just started TIG welding. We've been practicing with trying to feed the filler wire with our hands, and like with the gloves and stuff, is not really working too well for us. I mean, I know we're new, but I figured out how to make it a little bit easier for us. Cheap, with a lighter. So what I did a little modification on this lighter, and I was able to put like a little tube here in the front, and man, this thing feeds well. Either way, you go in reverse, and if you had this bad boy, I like it this way because it's easier for me to just set my hand there and not move the filler rod around. So from one position I can just easily feed the wire, which for us, we're new at this. We don't have a lot of money to throw out on these high-tech ones that I've seen, and this one actually helps. I've seen a pen, but I haven't used it yet, so I really can't talk about it, but I like having it this way, where I just lay my hand there and push the filler rod, and it goes out pretty smooth, and it works either way. So just a little old lighter. I did some modification. I taped up some tubes and stuff on it, and the little wheel. Put a piece of cardboard in the bottom with some tape to give it some, push it against the little wheel, and that's how it's actually working. Now look, I don't know how quick it's gonna feed and how much, but I think it's gonna work. It actually feeds out pretty good. Boom. And it's sturdy. So this is my table, put my hand on there and feed away. I'm gonna have another video coming out here soon, and me and my daughter are actually gonna try it out, see if it helps us, feed a little bit easier. Alright, y'all, that's all I have for you guys, and if some company out there sees this, can make something really nice in aluminum, we could have some engravings and stuff on the side, your names and stuff. I think that'll be pretty nice. I like it. But like I said, I'm new to TIG welding, so I don't know if this will give me a cramp in my hand or what, but it's an easier way to feed. That's all I got for you guys. Like and subscribe, and peace. See you guys later.